Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. So I'm starting off with this moisturizer. This is from Neutrogena. This is a Hydro Boost. This is so good and works amazing under makeup. If you have oily skin, you can use this and it will be so good. And for dry skin people, obviously this is good. So today I went in and created a very easy but glam cut crease look. This is very easy to recreate. I'll just show you guys every step that I did, and honestly, if I can, then you can too. So I'm using this eye cream here because I have noticed that my concealer was going patchy, so I understood that it needs some hydration, so I used some eye cream. Then of course a lip balm, and then I will use an illuminator. So this one is from Revlon. I haven't used it for a while. This is so good, works amazing under makeup, and I'm not sure that it's still available or not. I hope it is. It's a good product. So now it's time to use a blender and blend everything in the skin. You can see how amazing and glowy this is. It looks amazing. So I was supposed to upload this video today morning, but then my Wi-Fi was not working from yesterday, so I had to do it now. So now I'm just tweezing some of the sparse hair that I have on my eyebrows, also shaving them a bit and making them clean basically. I often do that. I never go to any parlor for getting my eyebrows done. So yeah, this is it. So next, brows. I'm using Benefit's Precisely My Brow Pencil. Feel free to use anything that you have. I'm just using these because I have these. You can use whatever you have. Also in this video I have used a Morphe palette, but I will definitely give you guys dupe of it, and that will be on my Instagram stories, so you can, after watching this video, you can go there and check that out. So I took this shade. This is basically a reddish brown shade, a brick shade, and I'm using it and blending it on my crease. Basically this is the kind of tone that will go all over the eyes. So this is the kind of look that you can create and wear with everything, be it ethnic or western, and it's very easy to recreate also. So next I'm taking the shade and deepening my crease again, mostly the outer corners. I cannot talk. Mostly the outer corners. Then taking another shade, you can see they're all from the same family. Taking a smaller brush, I'm creating a definition on my crease, and then lastly I'll go with a deeper red shade. Next I'm taking this shade. This is a nude shade. You can use anything that is closer to your skin tone, and I'm using this to blend all the colors in, and so that it does not look harsh. So make sure you will take a color that is closer to your skin tone, not mine. Keep that in mind while blending. It will be really helpful. Lastly, I'm taking this deeper orangey brick shade and concentrating it only on my crease. So remember, just use it only on your crease. Use a smaller brush which will help you control the pigment and the application. So this is how you're going to apply it, and then you're going to connect the outer edge with the outer corner like here I'm doing. Keep the lid space as clean as possible, or you can just conceal it whenever you want. Next step will be to take a concealer, coat your brush, make sure it's a flat brush, and apply it on your lid. Cut the crease like I'm doing in here. I have hooded eyes. Make sure you keep that in mind again, and it's really difficult to wear eyeshadow when you have hooded eyes, but yeah, I tried, I practiced, and I think I am okay with it, if not good. So yeah, I have kept as many clips as possible for you guys so that you can understand what actually I'm doing in here. So after the concealer is done, this is what you're going to do. You are going to take the same nude shade again and pack it all over the place where you have applied the concealer. This way it will create the instant, very easy cut crease look that we guys are trying to go for. This is how your lid is going to look after that. Then moving on to the first shade that we have ever used, we're going to take it and emphasize the outer corner. We don't want a straight line. We'll kind of make a half triangle or a semi triangle in there, exactly like what you're seeing. So that will create the effect of what you see, that there's a elongated line and it's dragged in the lower portion. What am I saying? I think you understood what I'm saying. Taking the darkest shade, we are going to do the same thing again. Moving on to the face, I'm going to use a primer, and the reason why I am using the primer after the illuminator is sometimes shimmer can emphasize your pores and textures. So in this way you have the glow and you have the base ready for makeup as well. So this is a little trick that trick that I do. God knows I need to go to a trip. For the foundation, taking one of my most favorites, Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I love using this. This is so good. And yeah, I'll just use it all over my face. Nothing to explain about foundation, right? Taking the Elegirl Peach color corrector, I'm going to color correct my under eyes because I want all the brightness down there. Taking the same concealer, I'm just concealing the usual points, that is under my eyes, on my forehead and my chin, and I think a little bit on the bridge of my nose as well. And if you see some activities on my mirror or some kid playing, that is definitely a kid, it's not a paranormal activity. Then I'm taking this luxury banana powder from Makeup Revolution and I am just chiseling out the outer corners and baking my under eyes as well, very lightly. I'm not using a lot of powder for this, but yeah, I'm just setting my under eyes. I'm also dragging the powder on the sides of my nose. It helps the contouring really well. Setting my chin too. This powder did set my makeup really nicely. Do not forget to set your smile lines as well. And then it's time for some cream contouring. So I took this Elegirl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. Then taking this nearly headless, basically bottomless brush and blending all the contour in, and yeah, this is how it looks after doing that. Also, if I sound a bit different, that is because I'm in a lot of pain. I have done 2 RCTs, some dental surgeries going on, so videos are not going on time basically. So I'm taking this clear gel from Essence and setting my eyebrows, and right now I'm talking and my jaw is paining so bad. Oh my god, this is tough. Then taking this sugar contour pan, I'm going to contour my nose and bronze up my face. Again, for the lower lash line, we are going to use only 2 shades and just smudge the lower line out really nicely, and then we'll finish it off with some nude eye pencil. Then taking Benefit Gold Rush as a blush and Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick in the shade Radiance as my highlighter. This is one of my most favorite highlighters, and I highlighted the usual points, that's tip of my nose, my cheeks, my cupid's bow and my chin. Also, I did highlight my inner corners and a little bit on the brow bone. I added some mascara. This is from Maybelline. This is the colossal one, and some nude eye pencil. Added some earrings and M72 lashes from PAC. Then moving on to the lipstick. First I took Floral Pink lip liner from Miss Claire. This is a very pretty pink color. And then I took one of my most favorite lipstick, that is Lip Gradation from Maybelline. Again, this is in the shade Mauve, and I have used I think 5 or 6 till now. This is so good. And then I took some Maybelline Studio Drama Gel Eyeliner. I extended my inner corners a bit with the liner and just hidden the lash pad, and that's it. That's the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you for watching. Stay happy and stay blessed.